Hi, welcome back. Again, my name is Tom Golden with EarthGen 215. Main office right here in Tallahassee. Telephone number 719-465-6234. We're here to share with you the first dry product that we have. This is a Nano Ag product. It is everything in a jug, all ready to go once you put water in it, non-chlorinated water. So the product comes in a case. This is a 2.5 gallon jug, so there'd be two of these, and two 2.5 gallon jugs per case. These 2.5 gallons will treat 100 acres, so one will treat 50 acres. The price on this is only $40 per acre, which is about 15% of what you're paying for fertilizer, and you can exit the fertilizer costs because you won't be needing them or using them. So we're about 15 to 20% of what you're putting out right now. So $40 a case, $40 an acre, does 100 acres to the case, so it's $4,000 per case. So, but you can do 100 acres. Right now, fellas are spending $200 to $300 per acre on their fertilizer costs. Keep it in the box until you're ready to use it. Keep it at 50 to 90 degrees would be fine. Keeping it dark is important. And when you pull it out to hydrate it, to use it, you'll remove the lid. You'll fill it with non-chlorinated water. Once it is filled to its level, you'll loosely leave the lid on it, and it'll hydrate in 48 hours. You might stir it once in a while, and it'll turn into a chocolate type of color that is added as a hydrant into your tank that you're using to spray. It is, remember to use this within 7 days. So once we put enough food and whatnot in the product to feed the microbes for that period of time. We desire the sooner you can use it, the better, because now it's out on your field eating and breaking down what is naturally in the soil. So a lot to be said about that. It's a lot of fun conversations we can have. Big thing on this is it needs 10 gallons per acre. So if this product right here will do 50 acres, you're going to need to have a tank. If you want to use it all, you're going to need a tank for 500 gallons. A lot of guys don't have it that big, some have it bigger. So if you say, Tom, I've only got a 250 gallon tank, then once it's hydrated and ready to go after 48 hours, you'd put half of it, and then you'd come back and get the other half. So 10 gallons of non-chlorinated water is the way in which this product is used. As far as deployment is concerned of the product, the neat thing about this product is just like any other liquid that you would spray out. You can use a drone, you can put it in your pivots and have it siphon into your pivots. You can put it into the drip, you can foliate with it. You can even put it into an aircraft if you like. The one thing is the product is so active that you really it's such a great product, you want to put it close to the ground as you can. But we have had a number of customers that come back in and they're using their drones, and it's a neat way to do it. As far as macro and micronutrients in the product, coupled with your acidophilus and your bifidus and your ascophyllum nodosum extracts, and your numerous elements that go in it in a right ratio for the right harmony within your soil, we regenerate your soil really the way it was in Genesis. And that's why Genesis 2:15, i.e. the name, EarthGen 2:15, Genesis 2:15 says, Adam, take care of the garden, dress it and keep it. So again, there's a lot to be said on this, but it's a very simple product to use. Hydrate it, mix it into your non-chlorinated water, and spray it. Get it out there as fast as you can because it wants to go to work and regenerate your soil. Again, my name is Tom Golden. My telephone number here at the office in Tallahassee is 719-465-6234. Also have two other offices. One is up in the Virginia area, so we can reach up to there. Your other one is in the North Carolina area. And again, we are a national and international company. The product is OMRI certified, Organic Materials Review Institute, so there's no challenge with anything with the product as far as usage is concerned. So it's a healthy, happy product that does wonderful things for your soil. So any questions, make sure to give us a call and I'll be able to go into anything that you have questions about deeper. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next video.